Hey you guys, it's Megatron here. I got the saddest news right now. My dog Willow just died today, and saddest news from my mom. I won't be showing any gameplay on Roblox on my PC because I'm too sad to do anything for you guys, but I'll try tomorrow, just to give you guys a little bit of everything else. But my dog Willow died. She died today. Me and my mom, we both had to raise her when she was a pup back then. But now, Willow died anyway. I hate to see that go. Pieces of my heart are breaking because of my dog Willow died. It takes so long. And, I'm sorry that it had to go this way. I almost cried at the beginning because Willow, she was a good dog. She was a good Siberian husky and temper wolf that she is. I just had to hear that news from my mom. And it's sad for me to focus on that, or maybe having some more videos for you guys, but that's why my dog Willow died. And now I have to go through this. I'm sorry if you guys are hearing me cry. It's because of my dog Willow just absolutely passed away today. Didn't even know in the beginning for Willow to start passing away now. But keep in your prayers that my dog Willow would be okay in heaven. So, but if you guys want to see more vlogging videos, let me know in the comments section down below on this video. And if you had to put some hashtag in the comments section, put hashtag rest in peace Willow. She was only that half Siberian husky and half temper wolf. She was only that, and now she died today, this morning. So I'm sorry if you guys had to ask me about it, but it's been too late. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, but keep that in mind for me. So I'll make more vlogging videos and more of the gaming videos for you guys, just to keep my mind out of my dog Willow dying that way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and farewell, Willow. You will be missed a lot. A whole lot from me, my mom, my whole family. Willow, you'll be missed. You was a great dog, and Now you'll be missed this time. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.